Okay, I got my new wind turbine in. As you can see, it got the old picture of what it is as it's shipped to me, so let's get her open here. Oh. A little more difficult doing it one-handed here, but I think I got it. Installation guide. Well, it looks like it's in English at least. Oh, there's a Chinese if you need that. It doesn't say a whole lot. 5-blade. 2-bolt system. Get my finger out of the way there. Oh, more goodies. I'll move this way, get some shadow out of here for you. 5-blade. Looks like a hard plastic nylon hub. End cap. Look like pretty wide tabs on that. Yeah, those look like, they look stainless. Stainless bolts for the, I just forgot the word. You know what they are. I'm thinking propellers. There. Well. Oh well. Large wrench. And 2 sockets on this wrench. Like comes with all the tools. User manual. MLWT1. See if it says anything important there. Blades, that's the, yeah. That's the word I was looking for. Product list. Wind generator hub. 5 blades. Lock nut shaft. That must be the tool. 10 bolts. M6 by 40. That'd be millimeters. And lock nuts M6 size. 1 spanner, 1 hex wrench, 1 controller, 4 washers, bolt for hub, and fairing. It says it's 1,000 watts, 12 volt or 24 volt. I ordered the 12 volt. Startup wind speed 2.0 ms. Rated wind speed 13 ms. 3-phase AC permanent magnet. Host weight 10.3 kilograms. Well, the box shipped by UPS. It said 20.9 pounds. And about the same in the Japanese language. Let's see what kind of controller we got here. BLW DC 1224. Now, what I found on the internet. It was this will work on 100 to 800 watts. Well, they call this 1,000 watt, but maybe a little blue sky. But it's not as bad as a lot of these that say 2,000, well, actually 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 watts. You pretty much know they're blowing smoke. But this sounded reasonable, so I picked this model here. Second, I get this bag off of here. This stuff's hard when you do it one-handed. Got 3 wires. They're a little on the small side, I would say. I wanted this easy mount, slip on the pipe, bolt it up. Oh, it turns really easy. No cog in there. See what this says. Pretty much the same stuff. Model number. 1,000 watt. Startup speed, rated speed, same that's in the manual. Nothing on that size. So what I need to do is see. I guess the real test is get it up and see how many watts it's going to produce there. Looks like a pretty nice shaft. I'm not sure if that's a coated or stainless at the moment. Have a circlip holding the bearing in. Sealed bearing. There's hex nut will go in the shaft there. This is about 6 inches top to bottom by their measurements on the internet. think this was like 55 millimeters. I didn't go to inches yet. So I don't have that information, but I'll get it up and get some investigate things a little more and put some more videos up about this. But my first one, kind of excited I got this, and I got my solar box over there, so that will just a little addition, collecting things. Got my solar. Well, it's working on reloading at the moment, but okay. Well, thanks for watching. It's always good that you guys would give me a like and subscribe. All right. See you when I get more info.